Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Amazon FBA profits using Seller Central Analytics, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Amazon FBA profits using Seller Central Analytics, start by logging into your Seller Central account. Once logged in, navigate to the Reports section in the top menu. From the drop-down, select Fulfillment. Here, you will find various reports related to your FBA operations. First, download the Inventory Performance Report. This report provides insights into your inventory levels and their effects on profitability. Next, analyze the Sales Diagnostic Report. This report helps identify trends in sales performance over time. Look for any drops in sales or increases in returns. After reviewing these reports, proceed to the Business Reports section. Here, focus on the Detail Page Sales and Traffic Report. This report gives you valuable insights into your product page performance. Check the conversion rates for your listings. Identify which products have low conversion rates. These products may need optimization or adjusted pricing. Next, review the customer feedback and product reviews. Customer feedback can pinpoint specific issues that affect sales. Identify common complaints or suggested improvements. Now, return to the inventory section. Evaluate your stock levels against your sales velocity. Consider running promotions on slow-moving items to clear excess inventory. Incorporate a pricing strategy to improve competitiveness. Use the Automate Pricing tool if you haven't already. Adjust your pricing to reflect market trends and competitor pricing. Study your advertising performance in the Advertising section. Analyze your ad spend against generated sales. Focus on campaigns that yield a positive return on ad spend. Consider pausing underperforming ads and reallocating budget to successful ones. Next, conduct a keyword analysis for your listings. Utilize tools like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout for keyword research. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.